Is your car running rough? The EGR valve and intake manifold, hidden deep within your engine, might be the culprits. The EGR valve reduces emissions, but exhaust gases leave carbon, clogging it and hindering its function, impacting performance. The intake manifold delivers air to cylinders. Carbon buildup restricts airflow, starving your engine of vital oxygen and power. Ignoring these issues leads to poor fuel economy, rough idling, reduced power, and a check engine light. It impacts longevity. Regular cleaning is crucial. It restores proper airflow, ensures efficient combustion, and helps your engine breathe freely again. Don't let carbon choke your engine. Keep your EGR valve and intake manifold clean for efficient, powerful, and reliable performance.